Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a 60-gallon Thomas Burkhart scrape agitated kettle. By the former owner, the agitator has been custom built. Has a bottom pintle or spider bearing stabilizing the agitator. Nylon scrapers. It's running a little faster than most of these do, and of course, as most of you know, you can add a AC frequency controller, as the drive is 2 horsepower, 3-phase. Has 2 hinge covers. There is no rating on the vessel, however, we pressure tested the jacket, which we're doing right now at 20 psi. Elevated legs, has a 2-inch discharge. I'll give it another quick look inside. Like I said, it is a little fast for most of these. Normally 25 RPM is about the max speed, but that can easily be changed. We have lots of kettles in our stock, both agitated, non-agitated, all types of vessels and process and packaging equipment. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. Thanks for joining us today for this video.